Let's be honest, the word sales can make even confident creators feel uncomfortable. You want people to buy your product or service, but you don't want to sound pushy, fake, or desperate. The truth is, selling isn't the problem. It's the way we think about selling. When you understand that selling is service, everything changes. Step 1, redefine what selling means. Most people think selling means convincing someone to buy, but real selling isn't about convincing. It's about clarifying. It's about helping people see whether what you offer can genuinely help them. You're not manipulating, you're matching. If what you offer solves their problem or helps them reach their goal, then selling is simply showing them the path forward. Step 2, lead with empathy, not ego. If you want to sell without pressure, focus less on your goals and more on their needs. Ask yourself, what is this person struggling with? What are they afraid of? What do they dream about achieving? When your communication starts with understanding, your audience can feel it. People don't buy from those who push, they buy from those who get them. Step 3, focus on transformation, not transaction. No one wakes up thinking, I want to buy a course or a coaching program. They think, I want to feel more confident. I want to earn more. I want to grow. Your job isn't to sell your offer, it's to sell the outcome. When you talk about your offer, don't list features. Paint a picture of what life looks like after working with you. You're not selling the process, you're selling the possibility. Step 4, share stories, not scripts. Stories sell because stories connect. Instead of a pitch, tell the story of how you got here. What problem did you solve for yourself? What transformation have your clients or students experienced? People trust results they can see themselves in. When they hear your story, they think, if they can do it, maybe I can too. Step 5, make your offer feel like a gift. The reason selling feels uncomfortable is because we see it as taking. But when you truly believe in your offer, that it helps, heals, or empowers, then offering it becomes an act of generosity. You're saying, I made something that can make your life better, and I can't wait for you to experience it. When you approach selling from service and enthusiasm, not pressure, people feel safe to say yes. Step 6, let people choose freely. Great sales don't come from hard closes, they come from honest choices. Don't fear rejection. Not everyone will be ready right now, and that's okay. When you let go of attachment to outcomes, you become magnetic. Confidence and calm are more persuasive than desperation ever will be. Step 7, believe in the value you bring. If you don't believe in what you're selling, no strategy will work. But when you do believe, your energy does the selling for you. Your offer isn't an expense, it's a transformation. When someone invests in your offer, they're investing in themselves. You'll never feel salesy when your intention is pure. Selling with integrity means you're not chasing numbers, you're changing lives. When you believe in what you're offering, speak from empathy, and focus on transformation, people don't feel sold to, they feel seen. So the next time you make an offer, don't ask yourself, how can I sell this? Ask, who can I help today? Because when you sell from service, every yes becomes a win for both sides.